Hello everyone, welcome to Power Automate tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how you can extract your YouTube channel data into Excel file. Hi, this is Kripali from KnowHow Academy. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you will learn from this video. First, you will learn how you can extract your YouTube channel data using Power Automate. And second thing, you will learn how you can practically implement above scenario using Power Automate desktop flow. So without delay, let's get started. Let's say you are working in a company and your manager told that from the company YouTube channel, you need to extract the playlist information like name and what is the link of that playlist, and you need to save it into the Excel file and forward to the manager. So what will you do? You will go to the YouTube channel, manually copy the link and paste it in the Excel file. Does it sound boring, right? Yes. What if I say this task you can do it within a fraction of a second using Power Automate? Yes, you heard it right. You can do this thing using Power Automate. So what you need to do? You need to copy this link and you need to use Power Automate desktop flow to do this tedious task using one click. So let me tell you the second thing, that how you can practically implement this task using Power Automate desktop flow. So to do this task, we will use Power Automate desktop flow. So for that, you need to open Power Automate desktop flow in your Windows operating system. After opening that, you need to click on New Flow. And here you need to give your new desktop flow name, that is YouTube channel, or you can say YouTube data. So basically when we are reading data using Power Automate, or when we are reading data through automation, it is called Power Automate desktop flow. So let me click on create. So your flow window will create where you need to design certain action. So here, what first action you need to design? You need to launch a browser. So search for launch browser. Why? Because YouTube channel you can access using browser. So I am using Google Chrome. So I'm selecting launch new Chrome. Once you are launching new Chrome, you need to select the launch mode, whether in existing Chrome window you want to open or you want to open a new instance of the Chrome. So I am selecting new instance. Then what URL you want to open when your browser will open? So you want to open this URL which I have copied when I was showing that YouTube channel to you. So I have copied pasted. And then what state you want to open your browser? So I want to open a browser in a maximized state. So I am selecting that Windows state. Now remember, whatever thing you are doing, that thing will stored in this browser variable. You can double click on this variable and you can change it, but just right now I am using as it is. And you can click on advanced and you can select the clear cache, clear cookies, or wait for page to load. Why? Because sometimes because of the slow internet speed, your flow need to wait until the page will load. And what time it will wait for page loading? So it will wait till 60 seconds. Then if pop-up will appear when the page is loaded, what you need to do? I want to close it. So I'm selecting close it and then click on save. So your browser launch action is created successfully. After that, what you want to do? Once the browser is open, you need to start extracting data from the given playlist. So for that, I am using Microsoft Power Automate record functionality. So for that, you need to click on record. Then once you click on record, this small window will appear. You can keep it aside, and then once you click on record button, whatever thing you are doing on this web page, it will be recorded. So what I want to do, I want to copy this playlist name as well as I want to copy the playlist link also. So for that, click on this. Then from your mouse, you need to hover this on the text which you want to copy, then you need to right click on it, and then from the given option you need to select extract element value. Then what value you want to extract? I want to extract text, as well as I want to extract the link also. So again, right click on that and extract value and click on href. Href basically indication of that is a link. So that you want to do. Now I want to do it for all the playlist which is available in the YouTube channel. So again I will click on the second playlist, then do the same thing, text. Again let me do the same thing for the href. So once you do it, Power Automate Desktop Flow is very smart. So it will do all the thing for the rest of the playlist name. And once it is done, you need to click on done. So whatever action you have done, it is recorded. Now here launch new Chrome automatically recorded. So I don't want to keep it second time. So let me close it, or you can say let me delete it. So launch new Chrome, then it will extract the information. Then what you want to do? You want to save this extracted information in your Excel file. So double click on that, and here you will see that whatever browser instance you are using, from that browser it will extract the data, then process data upon extraction. No, I don't want to process immediately, so I'm just keeping it off. Then timeout, how much time it will take? So 60 seconds, so basically 1 minute. Then store data mode, whether you want to store data in a variable, but here I told you that I want to store data in my Excel file. So from that select Excel spreadsheet. Then whatever you will see that this is the variable name which contain the data which you have extracted from the website or from the YouTube playlist. Then click on save. Once you click on save, whatever information is there, it will save into that variable called Excel instance. Then what you want to do? You want to launch an Excel. So for that you want to write launch Excel, or you can say open Excel. Here launch Excel, not open Excel. You need to put it after that. So launch Excel will do. Then start with a blank document, and whatever thing you want to do it in advance, you can do it. If is there any existing document is there, you can select that document. Okay, so I want to select that. Then after launching the Excel, I want to save it. So for that you need to write save Excel, and you just need to put it after the save Excel. Now Excel instance, with what name you want to save? So let's say here I want to save this Excel instance 1 or Excel instance 2. So basically let me just see, this is the Excel instance 1 and this is the Excel instance 2, but I don't want, I think, so let me delete that and just save that Excel here, and then save document. So save as document format, and which path you want to save. So I want to save it on a desktop with the name YouTube playlist, and click on open. So this will be saved using the name YouTube playlist, and close it. Now after that you need to close the Excel file. So let me select close Excel, and which Excel you want to close. So whatever instance which is open, I want to close it, and do not save the document. Instead of that you need to click on save document and save it. So whatever action you have made, it is saved in a proper sequence. After that what you want to do? After that I want to close my browser. So for that select the close web browser, and the browser instance will be closed. Okay, and then save it. So my flow is saved successfully. Now it's time for testing. So let me just count how many playlists are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 15 playlists are there. So let me just taste that, or you can say run that. So you can see the browser is open, then the action is done in the background, and you can see that how much time it is taken. So it's take around about 16 seconds and browser is closed. Now you can see that the status is ready. That means your flow runs successfully. Now if you want to check it, the information, you need to go to your desktop, and here YouTube playlist Excel file is there. Double click on it and you can see that this is the name of the playlist and what is the link of that respective playlist. It is saved in the Excel file. So this way you can extract the YouTube channel information from the given YouTube channel. So I hope you understand that. So before ending this video, let me tell you what you have learned from this video. First, you learn how you can extract your YouTube channel data using Power Automate. And second thing, you learn the practical implementation of the given scenario using Power Automate desktop flow. Thank you for using KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.